It is a cold night.
The house is very cool. Bran.
It is time for bed.
My socks are very fluffy. The sheets feel like ice.
I need something extra warm. Here is my warm friend. It is empty and cold.
I must go to the kitchen.
Hot water. We must wait for it to boil. I am getting sleepy. The water is hot now. Safety is very important.
I must be steady.
Pour slowly, Sarah. That is enough water.
Good.
No drips. It needs a cozy jacket. Oh, that feels lovely. The bed is waiting. Open the covers. Too sleepy to read. Much better. My feet found the warm spot. It is like a warm hug. The cold is all gone. Lights out now. Good night, cozy room. The moon and stars are bright in the clear sky. The warm bottle remains under the soft cover. The room is silent and very peaceful tonight. Sarah is dreaming and feeling very comfortable. The room is quiet in the early morning light. Morning? Morning already? Hello, bright sun. It looks cold outside. See you tonight. Have a good day, room. The house is awake too.
breakfast time now. Kettle for tea, not feet. The birds are busy. Hot tea is good too. This smells delicious. Careful steps. I feel very good today. Yum. Very warm. It is a happy home. Your dog butt down. I need my coat now.
The bedroom is quiet and ready for a new day. The warmest friend peeks out from the pillow. The house is warm and cozy in the afternoon sun.
Time to get cozy again.
My warmest friend is waiting.